Courses after 12th in PCMB: Physics, Chemistry, Maths, Biology. BSc Agri, it's a 4 years, and MSc Agri 2 years. BSc in Forensics, BSc in Dairy Science 4 years, and MBA is 2 years. B Form, in that B Form there are two types, in MBA or MBA 2 years, and M Form is 2 years. Pharma D 6 years. MTech in Agri 4 years, and MTech in Agri it's a 2 years. MBA and BTech in Biotechnology 4 years, MTech in Biotechnology 2 years. BSc Honors in Science, MSc in Home Science. BSc in Nutrition 3 years, MSc in Nutrition 2 years. Fisheries, BFSC 4 years, MFSC is 2 years. Courses after 12th in PCB: Physics, Chemistry, and Biology. BUMS 5.5 years, MS and MD they are two types. BAMS in after masters there are two types, MS or MD, you can do whatever you want. BHMS MD. BDS it's 5 years, and MDS. BVSC 5 years. MBBS it's also 5 years, and after masters you can do at MD or MS. MD also 3 years, and MS also 3 years. BPT 4.5 years, MPT 2 years, and PhD. BSc Nutrition BSc Nursing 4 years, MSc Nursing 2 years. GNM Nursing 3.5 years. BSc Home Science BNYS 5.5 years, and MD it's 3 years. Speech Hearing BASLP 4 years. BSc in Botany, Zoology, Microbiology, Physics, and Chemistry it's a 3 years, and MSc it's, and after that PhD. Occupational Therapy BOT 4.5 years, MOT it's 2 years. Courses after 12th in PCM: Physics, Chemistry, and Maths. Pilot PPL and CPL. NDA exam you can write after 12th also, and after completing degree also. Aerospace 4 years, and MTech 2 years, and PhD. Bachelor of Architect 5 years, and Master of Architect it's a 2 years. Bachelor of Planning and Designing BTech NT, NIT, and even you can write IIT. BE JEE Mains and Advance. It's also called as an IITN. There are other ways like MS, MBA, and MTech. LES and DGS, these are the competitive exams. ME Engineering, after completing engineering you can become a teacher, like UPSC is also a competitive exam. IAS, IPS, and IFS, and so many are there. Defense Diploma it's 3 years, and after that BE. BSc BCA it's 3 years. Diploma again you can do diploma also, and you can leave that. And hostel management, in that so many types are there, like BSc. In BSc there are two types, MBA 3 years, and MSc 2 years. After hotel management you can directly come into a MBA or MSc, it's a 3 years, and it's a 2 years. Design BSc in design it's a 3.5 years, and BDES it's a 2 years.